हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हमारा फिर से एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट का फ्लैगशिप इवेंट है। मैंने सागा आ चुका है। हियर्स आवर आईडी कार्ड। बहुत सही आईडी कार्ड है, मेरी फोटो भी है इस पे। एंड द बिगेस्ट सरप्राइज फॉर टुडे इज आवर मर्च। ओके, तो ये हमारी मर्च है एंड इसके हमने काफ़ी एफर्ट्स के साथ हमारी सोशल मीडिया टीम ने इसको क्राफ्ट किया एंड दैट्स इट। आई विल मीट यू।
So guys, we are finally on the way to our event and we're very excited about it, and it's going to be super fun. Can't wait to show you all what we're gonna do. And we are a bit late, but it's okay. We're not missing it like you are.
Each team will be given total of 7 minutes to present. Second, focus on delivering a clear and concise presentation by prioritizing key points. Third, additional research materials used must be acknowledged in the notes section of the PowerPoint slides.
We would now like to call upon the first team for the day. Delighted to have Dr. Vikas Vijay, popularly known as the Account Guru, is a renowned Indian commerce educator, author and motivational speaker with over 29 years of experience. He is recognized for his Together with Accountancy books, training over 10,000 teachers and 10 lakh students, and running specialized
So hi guys, are you excited? How's the जोश? वो है स्टेज फेयर हो रहा है। Well guys, all the best. Hi, how's the Josh?
Hi, my name is Jitesh and it's Hi.
Yeah. Hi, what's your team name?
Luminous.
How's the Josh?
Pretty low.
What are you fearing about?
That I should have never joined this competition.
At that stage. So if we talk about AI and real-time rendering, because AI is very Semrush has this benefit, what they are bringing to the table, right? Then global reach, CCI and all the 2D and 3D work is given to India only, right? Pronunciation. So why we put there, why we marriage between them? We understand in few slides ahead. Then the second year 22 crores. The third year it will be 42 and the last is 62. So altogether we at least will be getting a synergy of more than 75 crore, right? Which is very huge for 3 years projection.
So, right, we saw that this was the part of the world. We can make this project as one more and maybe even compete with them at a neck-to-neck level.
With their massive library, we move from being a worker to hire to being the king of content, dominating both TV and streaming platforms.
Moving to the next slide, let's look at how exactly acquisition transformed the future
Library of 2,000 hours of content and 18 pages
You get 930 crore rupees of value at fair price, or wait, you'll pay
just because उन्होंने ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट किया they are टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी नॉट आईटी कंपनी। सो लेकिन जब हम बात करते हैं किसी भी स्टूडेंट के पर पर्सन वो बहुत ही कम पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर मेरे पास आज 100 क्लाइंट्स हैं और मेरे पास अगर 200 क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं तो मेरा जो कॉस्ट होगा वो भी उतना ही बढ़ेगा, सिग्निफिकेंटली हाई बढ़ेगा।
It's IP to throughout the world.
Expand globally. We are just providing services in creating animations, but we need to reach to other global countries like India. And Netflix and Disney have started acquiring and from local productions they are acquiring IPs so we can license large decades. After British left us, the major growth was in outsourcing, where we outsource services for call centers and content creation. So India will be a good place to outsource such animations. Their EBITDA is 18 CR and we are valuing them on 8x of EBITDA. They are in Indian animation and VFX. And this industry in India is said to grow from 15% to 37% till 2031.
Strategy for the future limited. Our main idea is to help the company move from a service-based model.
OTT and merchandise. This improves profitability and future growth.
So hello friends, myself Dr. Vikas Vijay, Accounts Guru, author of Together with Accountants and Business Studies, and today is 23rd of Feb and we are at Maharaja Surajmal Institute for the event M&A Saga 3.0 being organized by the team WIT. And let me tell you, Parth है मेरे साथ और बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. काफ़ी सारे कॉलेज में जाते हैं, काफ़ी सारे स्कूल्स में, काफ़ी सारे इवेंट्स को जज करने के लिए, बट हेयर the topic was altogether different, बहुत ही memorable, and the various colleges and the teams, those who have participated, were amazing. For us also, it was a learning. So many congratulations,
so
Parth, and lot of gratitude and praise for the entire team. They have worked so hard to make this event successful. So a lot of gratitude, lot of praise to each single member of the team. WIT, all my best wishes and keep doing this fabulous work for future. All my blessings. Love you.
One go.
Outreach head. Hello guys.